Let me talk to my churches for a moment, because many of you will have your own setups now. You want to do broadcasting, but you don't know who to choose, because right now there's just thousands upon thousands of television broadcast networks. And of course, you have your 1, 2, 3, Christian networks, but why not have your own? Why not have it where they can tune into the Mount Olivet Broadcasting Network or the Mount Carmel Broadcasting Network? Why not have your own broadcast? And not only that, we save you so much money, because with our system, you're able to do all of your overlayers real time. You don't have to worry about dealing with third parties or get in touch with the video company, tell them we'd like to get this done, tell them we'd like to get that done. Most of that you can do yourself now. Not most of it, all of it. We have it set up to that point. If you notice something, the backgrounds change all the time. You know why? Because that's what we call green screen video. It's called virtual overlays. That's what's in the background. And so you can do all of that, pastors and bishops. You can do all of that yourself now. Well, with the packages that we offer, we have what you call virtual sets. Now, what's so incredible about our virtual sets is that they actually are real. Yes, they're real to your public, to your viewers, your viewing audience. They'll never know the difference. You can be in Spain, Europe, wherever, Africa, and because of the virtual sets that are implemented in your packages, only you will know exactly where you are. And it's called virtual sets. Virtual reality really is what it's called. It is now here. Well, some of you are already aware of it, but this is what we do, as well as with our live broadcasting. Many of you are doing broadcasts, but the problem is you have to insert all of your overlays after the broadcast is done. To me, that's double, triple, quadruple the work. Why not implement as you go? And then that way you'll have everything aligned. Now, wait a minute before you get started and say, well, wait a minute, John Butler. If I was to mistype a word and my pastor's broadcasting, now I've messed up the broadcast. I've totally destroyed. If I did not spell Ephesians right, or if I did not spell Deuteronomy correctly. No, it's not so. You prepare all of your layers prior to your live broadcasting. Oh yeah, that's what you can do now. And when you prepare your layers, when it's time to drop them in, that's all you do is signal for your software to drop that layer in right at the live broadcast. Guess what? That saves on dollars, that saves on time, and it keeps your budget where you need it to be. As a matter of fact, it's nice because those that cannot make it to worship hour or cannot make it to your event can actually see it in real time. And guess who the producer is? You. That's exactly what we're doing with We Build Networks. We're making it available for you to be the true creator, for you to be the true producer. Many of you have said you've been the producers, but you know what has happened. You started the program, you shot the video, but you had to take it somewhere else and allow them to do all of the editing. If you add up those costs, they will total out to be much more than what our packages are costing. It's cost effective, and you get exactly what you need when you need it, and you don't have to worry about depending upon third parties. That's what we're trying to do. Cancel out the third party to make you, equivalent to the top of the productions that are being presented now. You can become #1 ranking. Now, not only do we do that here, but we also have intertwined in our entire package something we call a maintenance. A monthly maintenance fee is what you would pay if you decided to. Now, you can opt out on it if you'd like, but it takes care of not only tech support, which is 24/7, but it also takes care of making sure that any of your 5-minute or less production videos that are to promote your company, any of your ad copies, your commercials, up to 5 minutes, we send them out to all of the video outlets. Wait, hold up. Did you say all? All of the video outlets. Many of you have one YouTube account, but what we'll do is we'll send it to iMedia, we'll send it out to Vimeo, we'll send it out to YouTube, we'll send it, every last one of them. It will go out to all of those simultaneously, and guess what? We take care of that during the month, so that way Everything that you need to go out, it's already going out. All of your production. Not only that, many of you don't have social network presence. Well, some of you say, yes, I do. I'm on Facebook. I've been on Facebook. That's all. Are you on any of the other thousands upon thousands of social networks? Well, to be honest, it's about 600 that are really, that makes sense to be on. It gets your word out further and it gets it out quicker. So what we do, we build the infrastructure and we send out your 5-minute or less video clip link to them. And then now, guess what? You're close to having 700 million people knowing about you rather than just the 300 million that are right here in the United States. Well, of course, 50 million in Canada. But it just gives you, and it's not to say that everybody's going to view because, again, you have a target audience. But what we can do here as We Build Network.